Welcome back to our wonderful Outback users. Today I wanted to do a quick video for you to help with how to do the perfect eyebrow wax using our wonderful peelable waxes. This being the front of the brow and this being the tail. And I'm going to place a stretch with my middle finger and thumb to really make sure the skin is nice and taut, and put my opal at the front. And then I can use the spatula and just nudge and manipulate the wax up as close as I can to the hairline. Then we're going to remove by lifting the end, keeping that stretch firmly in place and taking it off. Now what to look for is that you've got your pen line on your wax that you've pulled off. I'm not sure if you can see that there, but the pen line's just going across to show that you have reached the hairline of the brow. Now, the other point about the brows and using peelable is some people are concerned about the vellus hair not coming off when you go with the direction of hair growth. So we're going to do a secondary application, put our stretch back in again, and we're going to place it from the tail and go backwards. And this is going to pick all those leftover fluffy vellus hairs that we didn't pick up on the first application. We are going to do the removal in the same direction. Keep that stretch nice and taut and just tweeze off your patch that's gone in an opposite application direction. Okay everyone, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my top tip for how to practice for the perfect brow wax. We are going to be launching a facial waxing course as of March 2019, and that will cover in depth how to do the perfect eyebrow shape, nostril wax, ear wax. If you have some male clients, we're going to look at how to just shape the top of the beard, any facial, chin and neck waxing for your lovely lady clients.